Hey friends, October 8th, feel kinda sleepy, had breakfast, yeah, I'm gonna see, maybe not much to do today.
Nhịp tăng vào đây ta lý rôn tăng này đi. Mình rôn tăng tỷ rống đi, từ tăng tỷ rống đi.
Hey, at my hotel, you saw I got durian, like I'm doing much today, not doing much today. Yeah, I feel kinda tired. Yesterday I had a lot of coffee, so I don't know, I just feel tired today. Maybe it impacted my, rest. Probably gonna go to Muay Thai tomorrow. Oh yeah, also I bought tickets to Malaysia, so I'm leaving on 13th. I paid 48 euros from Krabi and back. I'm leaving 13th and coming back 15th. So yeah, like 1.5 days you can say, because I'm leaving 5 p.m. and I'm gonna arrive 8 p.m. to Malaysia airport. So the first day is lost. Yeah, so I'm gonna extend my visa. Yeah, and as you know, I'm leaving 31st to Vilnius, to Lithuania. Yeah, what else? I was looking in Kuala Lumpur for hotels through Agoda, so not a lot of use. It was quite expensive, so I just checked Airbnb. I got a room, like a private room, but I'm gonna live with a host. So there were like a lot of good reviews, so that's why I chose it. And more that you can like communicate with the hosts. They usually tell you cool stuff, about the city. So yeah, so 18 euros per day. So I spent maybe 70, 80 euros. Yeah, quite a lot, but yeah, money goes. So yeah, I don't know. I just came back. I had lunch. I'm gonna go out for dinner later. So yeah, not much. Oh, you also saw the beach today. It was very sunny, like super sunny. Maybe it was just raining a little bit in the morning, but very hot. Yeah, I heard like Phuket is like raining more. Last time it was like last year in Phuket, it was also like raining quite often. Like Koh Samui and Krabi almost no rain at all. Onang, no rain. I didn't have a problem. Just perfect weather every day. Like super. Maybe it rains just in the morning or at night, and very fast. So yeah, so I'm ending my day. I suppose today is October 7th. Yeah, probably. What I wanted to say, like, it's very hard to find like good, cheap, also good food places. That's what suck when you come like to a new area. You need to like look, you need to try. Like, you can go for Google reviews, but it takes also a lot of time, and it's probably be often overpriced, very often. Yeah, well, crowded. I don't know. Yeah, well, sometimes not. Sometimes it's like very good, but I don't know. Like to search for a place that good for you, takes time. So I'll show you tomorrow. Like, if somebody stays here at this B2 place, I'll show you like a couple of good places, like for breakfast and for dinner. Like you can eat for 2 euros. That's like nothing, like such good prices. So yeah, that's what I was thinking now. So yeah, I'm ending my day. See you guys. Hey friends, today is October 9th. Just woke up like 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Yeah, the perfect weather here in Krabi, Onang. It's good all the time. Like, almost not a single day that the weather was bad. Every day, perfect. Well, I heard Phuket is different, more rainy. Yeah, so I decided to come to my favorite spot, this gym. Yeah, it's kind of hard sometimes to, you know, force yourself, but after that it's cool. Oh man, I just finished training, super hot. But the trainer said I'm getting better, probably because I slept. Yeah, slept for 2 hours before coming here, so yeah, so just came back home, came back to my hotel. I'm kind of glad I went to the gym. I don't know, I suppose it's kind of boring, but yeah, like what I film now, but it's gonna be not boring for me, so yeah, to watch like along 10 years after, you know. It's gonna be cool. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I did my laundry today, had some food. You could probably get like food, one meal, 2-3 euros here in Krabi, like 60 baht, 60 the cheapest. Like I bet you can get like cheaper, you know, basil with chicken, basil with pork. There's like also an egg on top and some rice, so it's 60. It's like fulfilling. Yeah, for 100 you can get like even more, you know, food, like better quality, I suppose. But yeah, so 100 baht, it's about like 3 euro, even less. So yeah, you don't need a lot here, so that's cool. Yeah, okay. Hey, I'm ending October night. Yeah, I'm going to bed. And I'm having some durian, like every day. Well, hey, October 11th, it's already 8 p.m. Not much that I did today. Went for a ride, had a lot of durian. It was so good. I found a very good place, like a local place. I showed you this lady, very good. So yeah, just ate, had a nap. You know, I want to go to the gym, but too much. So yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow is 12th and 13th, 5 p.m. my flight is to Malaysia. Yeah, it's also getting quite expensive more, you know. I was paying 15 euro, now I paid for 12th, 13th. I think it's like for Thursday, Friday, I paid 25 euro. So yeah, I don't know why. The season is coming. Yeah, I heard like from 15 from October 15 everything's gonna be increased. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, see you guys.